Hello, everybody. We are here today with Rubén García, who is the country head for Iberian and Latam at Colombia Threadneedle, and he's going to talk with us about the upcoming Oxford Congress. This is the fourth Congress that has been held by FIDE and GET think tank, which it's around the economics and the main challenges of investing in taking into consideration ESG factors and sustainability in the financial investments. So, Rubén, hi, how are you? Thanks for being here with us.
Thank you, Anna. Really nice to be back with you guys.
This year, the Congress is going around what we have called driving change. And the subtitle is Exploring Opportunities and Challenges in Accelerating Sustainable Finance. I believe that it is something that we, the professionals in the investment community, are always looking forward to accelerate something what we believe in, which is integrating sustainability in the financial decisions. So I would like for you to explain to the potential attendees of this Congress what do you feel, what are your feelings of, or Colombia Threadneedle feelings about this need of from the asset managers and the asset owners to accelerate these sustainable finance initiatives?
Well, thanks again, Anna. I think this is the fourth edition of this Congress, and it has been really a pleasure to participate as Colombia Threadneedle from the very beginning. As we all know, the industry, well, it's a moving target, the ESG evolution, and how we're going to change basically the industry in asset management to really run and drive these sustainable economics, not just in asset management, but also in the economics, in the industry. What we have seen in the past, in the other three editions, it's an amazing opportunity where we're going to gather not just asset managers, so basically the investors that can drive a little bit of that change, but also regulators and real companies. We will have, I think, in this fourth edition, the participation of top companies in the European universe are going to explain how they are internally also driving this change. For us, as Colombia Threadneedle, it's a key driver of the business. We did invest in purchasing a dedicated asset management team years ago, and we do have a special engagement service called Rio. So it's part of our DNA of Colombia Threadneedle, the ESG evolution. As you were saying, and I think you're very right, it's a moving target. We have seen how the target has been moving from the regulator standpoint, also from the different participants in the market, both asset managers, but also clients. And we're really looking forward to this opportunity again, fourth edition, to participate. We will be, as you know, more focused on the transformation or how we can power the shift towards sustainable economics. For us, one of the key aspects is how we can measure impact, how we can drive impact, how we can identify impact when investing. So that's going to be one of our main focuses.
Yes, because this year we have identified three main topics, which we also always try to relate to the more shortcoming challenges and how to tackle them. One of them is transitioning towards a low carbon economy, which has been and it's going to be a long-term target and evolving constantly, and we are going to have some sessions on this. The second one is the one that you were talking about, institutional investors powering the shift towards sustainable economics, and we are going to have there, well, your inputs, the Colombia Threadneedle professionals, and also some professionals also speaking about this challenge. And then the third topic is we have called it boosting the three S's in sustainable finance, and the S's being speed, scope, and scale. So you are going to be centered in impact investing, which I believe that it's something that all of us have, and also the clients, the investors, have considered from the very beginning the real sustainable investing, not the truth, the undeniable truth beneath what we are calling sustainable investment. No?
I like your words of undeniable truth.
So what is your take on impact? Why impact in Colombia Threadneedle is such an important topic?
I think impact, before we had, I call it the revolution of ESG in the last years, namely from a legal point of view on the regulators. Before going there, I think we were 10 years ago, we launched the first social impact fund in the UK. It was the UK Social Bond Fund. So we did take a little bit of pioneer approach in terms of before the regulator. We thought we should participate in the evolution of the society, but also being able to measure those ESG investments into metrics, because at the end of the day, it's about changing, making a sustainable transformation, but also with reliable data. I think that's one of the challenges at this point, and the whole industry and the regulators are having a big discussion on how we can, I think, get to a common point on how to have those metrics. So as I was saying, we were early, if I may say, at Colombia Threadneedle to launch the social bond funds with a very clear social impact, where we could explain, to the final investor, to the society, how we were changing with our investments, with our bonds. The quality, is it the different factors you can measure with the SDGs. But we were very early. Then we continued that path with the European Social Bond and the Global Social Bond. So we've been very focused on this social impact aspect in sustainable investing. And as I said recently, 4 years ago, we bought an asset manager, so BMO, which was an asset management based in London, focused historically in ESG investment, with the idea that this is a long-term trend. There's been a little bit of a denial at some point of how ESG was going to evolve, but we believe it's here to stay. And I think one of the key aspects also is how we engage. So the engagement part, how we engage in the management of those companies where we are invested, as asset managers. So we did buy at BMO Asset Management that capacity, with a very strong engagement team of over 50 responsible investment analysts. So very, very, very excited, really, Anna, to participate in this 4th edition. And to me, it's an amazing opportunity as a think tank to see how the market is evolving, not just the asset managers, but also the regulators, also the companies. We're going to have amazing speakers in the agenda that are going to bring also their real experience as a company and how they're implementing this change. So really looking forward to it.
Yeah, you're right, and congratulations on your efforts, and well, let's encourage everyone to attend this Congress, which is full of really insights from professionals, and also, well, I hope that we can all improve our skills and our knowledge on sustainable finance, and at the end, will drive change, which is the main. The first and foremost objective of this Congress. So thank you, Rubén, for your participation, and thank you for your time, and see you in September in Oxford.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Anna. Looking forward to it.